Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video you will able to know about basic figure of geometry with explanation by using diagram. So let's start. 1. Point. Has no dimensions, only position. 2. Line. A line is one-dimensional. 3. Plane. Is two-dimensional 2D. 4. Solid. Is three-dimensional 3D. But here we will cover both 2D and 3D shapes separately. Few examples of 2D shapes are circle. It consists of 360 degree, having no corner or vertices. Square. Having 4 equal sides and angles, each angle is 90 degree. Triangle. Having 3 sides, each angle consists of 60 degree. Rhombus. A quadrilateral with all sides of equal length. Pentagon. A polygon having 5 sides and 5 vertices. Hexagon. A polygon having 6 sides and 6 vertices. Oval. It has same properties like a circle. Rectangle. Shapes that have with opposite sides of equal length, each side contain 90 degree. Trapezium. A quadrilateral with one pair of parallel lines or equal. Few examples of 3D shapes are sphere. A perfectly round object, like a ball. Cylinder. A solid object with 2 parallel and circular bases connected by a curved lateral surface. Cube. A solid object with 6 square faces of equal size. Cone. A solid object with a circular base and tapering to a point. Pyramid. A 3D shape with a square or triangular base and sloping sides. Cuboid. A solid object with 6 rectangular faces of equal size. Thanks for watching the video and stay connect with us.